What is the difference between a DPA grant and loan? Imagine trying to buy your first home and feeling overwhelmed by all the options for help. Knowing the difference between a down payment assistance grant and a loan can make a big difference in your decision. Let's break it down so you can see which one might work best for you. A down payment assistance grant is money given to you that you do not have to pay back. It's like a gift from the government or a nonprofit organization to help cover part or all of your down payment. Sometimes, it also helps with closing costs. The main thing to remember is that grants are free money, as long as you meet certain conditions. For example, you might need to live in the home as your primary residence for a set number of years, often between 5 and 20. If you don't meet those conditions, you might have to repay some or all of the grant. Grants are straightforward and reduce the amount of cash you need upfront when buying a home. On the other hand, a down payment assistance loan is money you borrow that must be paid back later. These loans can come in different forms. One common type is a second mortgage, which means you have to loans on your home. You will make monthly payments on both the primary mortgage and the second mortgage. Another type is a deferred loan, where you don't pay back the money until you sell the home, refinance, or move out. There are also forgivable loans, which are canceled if you stay in the home for a certain period, usually 5 to 20 years. Even if the loan is interest-free or has low interest, it's still a debt that can impact your finances and future plans. Understanding these differences is important, especially if you are thinking about buying your first home. Grants help you get into a home with less money out of pocket and no future payments. Loans, whether deferred or forgivable, create a future obligation to repay, which can affect your cash flow and financial goals. Many first-time homebuyer programs are designed for owner-occupants, so they might not be available for investment properties. Also, some programs requiring you to use specific lenders or loan types, which can influence your options. To sum up, a down payment assistance grant is free money that helps you buy a home without having to pay it back. A down payment assistance loan is borrowed money that you will need to repay later, though the terms can vary. If you qualify for a grant, it's usually the better choice because it reduces your upfront costs without adding debt. But if a loan is your only option, understanding the repayment terms and conditions can help you plan your home buying journey wisely.